Yeah, I don't remember this building when we were here last. I would remember that. This is a new visitor center. I'll find out when that was built. We are at the Old Faithful Geyser Visitor Center area, and we're on the search for the elusive bear hat, if they still make them. Just for you, Amber. Amber. Hi. So, no bear hats. However, we got ranger hats and animal backpacks. And finger puppetries. Yes. Very fun. I love the fact that people were applauding a thermal geyser.
A thermal geyser.
As if there was somebody there doing the controls, like the Bellagio fountains.
The Bellagio fountains.
Way to go, Mother Earth.
Yeah.
Way to go.
Yeah,
all right.
There you go. Way to go, Mother Earth.
Nice.
Exactly, Chris. That's really cool. You know, they say that Old Faithful's not as Old Faithful anymore, but you know what? It still goes off here, you know, on a regular basis, and it is spectacular to watch.
And it was actually pretty close to the predicted time.
Yeah, it was.
It's just
close.
the time gets further apart.
Yeah.
30 years ago when we were here,
Yeah.
it was like every 70 minutes.
Every 70 minutes, yeah.
Now it's every 90 minutes.
Yeah, give or take 10 to 20.
And I know when
between
they first started timing it, the reason why they called it Old Faithful, it was like every 60 minutes.
Yes.
So the timing keeps changing. So these thermal features are not guaranteed to constantly be there. So generations to come, they may not have this one. Yeah.
Not even, I mean, it may be in close to our own
So if you're
generation.
here visiting and you see somebody abusing something, throwing things, speak up. Tell them don't do that.
Yeah, the rangers even say, speak up and help them out.
You gotta
because
preserve this place.
There's just not enough rangers to go around to keep an eye out, and we've already spoken up a couple of times.
Well, one, I think I saved a kid's life.
I don't know about that.
Well, I don't know. If he fell in that fissure.
Yeah, he was off the trail and looking into this fissure, and Mom wasn't doing anything, and Steve spoke up and said, that's very dangerous what you're doing. You need to get away from there. And the mom was like, oh, so-and-so, what are you doing? So, parents, keep an eye on your kids around here too. And please read the signs and respect them. Respect the nature. Respect what's here.
Now we're getting angry.
I am, because I'm sensitive to it. But yeah, it is beautiful, and let's keep it for everyone to enjoy.
Absolutely.
For our future. Yeah.
That's a cool shot.
So we are updating all the features here, data for them. So we took he's got a temperature probe, and he's doing pH and acid level and conductivity, which is a measure of dissolved chemicals in the water. And she's describing what the surface looks like and what its activity is, the fact that it's effervescing and boiling, what the biological material is. You see all that orange and browny? That's the different biological organisms. That's what's creating that color. And we're doing that for every single feature out here that's hot.
Right as I started the video, the elk already put his head down. You can't quite see it from this. Oh, there's the second
the other one behind the tree.
There's the second one. Dawn's getting some shots. We'll plug them into the video. We're too far away with the GoPro. I might be able to digitally zoom a little bit, but yep, there they are.
That's so cool.
We're at Grand Geyser. It's scheduled to go off at 2:45. It's 2:44 right now, but the best part about this is there are benches. We can sit down. Oh man, my feet are killing me.
I know, me too.
Oh, yes.
Well, not only did my camera battery die that you said was full, yeah, now he told me, oh no, it's completely loaded. Oh, no
It
problem.
was.
Yeah, I took a few pictures and all of a sudden it's like, change battery pack. Okay, now my phone's dying. So I'm like, alrighty. And not having too much connectivity around here is can be tough. Trying to find out when and how we're gonna get it. charged.
tonight. This is Grand Geyser, right? Okay, so apparently with a quick Google search, the Grand Geyser is the tallest predictable geyser in the park. So we're still sitting here waiting after the Google show.
Yeah.
And hopefully...
Can we predict soon? Because, like, I'm getting old.
I predict it's going to happen before we go back to the rig. On Grand Geyser. Come on, Grand Geyser. Thunder in the background. Me holding this metal rod in the air with a camera attached. It's got a rubber handle, I'm okay.
There's a ranger here. She still works here in the park. She has been struck by lightning 6 times.
Holy cow.
Oh, jeez.
What?
It's raining. Okay, come on. This is getting ridiculous.
So it's raining.
Okay, that's it.
And it's cold, and we got lightning directly overhead, and that's been about it. So I think we're moving on. Okay, yeah, I think we overstayed our welcome. Yeah, getting wet, getting very wet. My back is soaked. I could feel it. There's Mom doing her Igor impersonation. Walking this way. What hump? Okay. Oh, it's cold. Think of happy thoughts. Water's hitting me in the back and it's now sticking to my back. Oh, that's cold. Oh, that's cold. Felt like hail there for a second. It is soaking through my shoes. Oh. Man, my back, it was hitting me in the back. I'm sure my back is totally soaked.
You're soaked. Look at me.
Completely soaked. There we go.
Oh my God.
Good thing about GoPros, they are waterproof.
Oh my God.
Hey look, Castle Geyser. Sorry. Look, Castle Geyser. Yes, please, just go ahead and erupt. Be the icing on the cake. No, not gonna
Well,
happen.
here's the issue.
What?
My shoes are full of water.
I know, I feel mine are too.
Oh my God.
Oh man.
Sorry.
Okay. It's now soaking through to my pants.
Look at my pants.
I'm not stopping. I'll watch it on video. Okay, it is finally letting up. We're kind of looking through a little bit of a wet lens. I wiped it off a little bit. It's finally let up. It was fast and furious. It soaked all the way through. This is not the natural color of the shirt.
Nope.
Oh man.
I'm
So yeah, so we're having.
I was gonna say it's not the first time we've been soaked out here in the Old Faithful Basin.
Yeah.
Well,
That's it. It's you guys.
well, the only other time was we were soaked because of a geyser.
When experiencing nature up close, one must expect the unexpected. Beehive Geyser only goes off twice a day, so as luck would have it,
those guys get it, Mom?
Don't worry about it.
Okay, Beehive Geyser goes off twice a day, and we had to be right in the middle of it.
Dad, you filming? Yeah. Look at that.
Everyone is so
Right?
Hey, turn around, Aaron. From us running. Oh my God. Ah.
Soaked because the guys are not soaked.
Because of a geyser, not because of rain.
Not because of rain. So that's the first on that one.
Yep.
Okay, slowly walking back to the hotel area, and I don't know. We'll figure it out.
This is the California Hotel California.
California Adventure.
Yeah, Adventure. That's what this is called.
All right, so there is so much we shot in Yellowstone,
Unreal.
and there is more to come still.
That's what I'm saying. It's big, it's beautiful,
and there's so much to see. Yes,
I mean, there's places we didn't even get to see. But, and
too,
10 days
too many,
there, you
too
know,
many
it's just,
places.
It's just a beautiful area.
So anyways, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe.
And if you want to know the next time we post, hit that bell and you'll get a reminder every time we do. Sundays at 2 o'clock.
Yes. And if you do have any questions, comments, or things you would like to see, give us a comment. We love hearing from you.
We love hearing from people.
Yep. And we've got so much coming up in the future here too. So, so that's about it.
A lot of great stuff coming up.
Yep. So one more Yellowstone feature, and we'll see you on the road.
Slush.